Hi, beautiful angels. This is Miss Trixie from Magic Winds Tarot, and this is your December love and work forecast for Virgos. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Virgo, this reading is for you. If you know a Virgo, you can cross watch it for them, friends. Yes, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share, friends. Subscribe Magic Winds Tarot, like and share. And if you subscribe, you can win a free reading at the end of every month. One lucky winner will be selected for the free reading. And join us on Instagram as Magic Winds Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website. Let's begin, friends. Without any further ado, let's see how your Virgos, your theme of December will be for Virgos. Wow, Six of Pentacles. Balance is coming. Money is coming your way. Congratulations. Money, balance, and success is coming your way. Five of Swords. I do see you are dealing with some struggles right now. So you will be coming out of struggles. These challenges, a lot of challenges, a lot of mental blocks. You will be coming out of mental blocks, and your worries. I do see you're worried about something, whether it is money or trust issues or mental blocks. You're coming out of them. This is your month of recovery, Virgos, and this is your own card. See, the Knight of Pentacles. So congratulations, money is coming your way. Stability is coming your way. So good month. A slow month, but a good month. Theme of the month for Virgos. See, you're becoming this king. From the Knight to the King of Pentacles. Congratulations, you are gaining. You are growing, Virgos. This is your life is changing in December for good, for good. And money is coming, responsibility, power is coming. Also, I see you moving out of restrictions. So, yes, you are moving out. If money was coming slowly, you will find some balance there. More money is coming your way. So congratulations. Let's see what else. You're turning into this king. Yeah, king or a queen of pentacles, Virgos. Very powerful December is. A lot of shifts are going to happen in December for everyone, for all of us as humanity. And especially it is going to affect you, Virgos, because it is going to happen in the Capricorn season, like when December, the sun moves into Capricorn. So right then Saturn and Jupiter will shift into Aquarius, so that is going to really push you into power, into success. Let's see your love life, Virgos, for December. Fool, a new start, a powerful new start. The Empress, the Four of Swords, the Lovers, the Six of Swords, the Nine of Swords, wow, the Emperor, the Devil, the Wheel of Fortune, and the Six of Cups. Big month actually for you, Virgos. You end the month on a very good note. Nine of Cups of happiness. I do see, you are starting the month feeling like to take a leap of faith towards someone, Virgos. You need to take a leap of faith. I do see there is a connection that you see this as the Empress. There is someone you like. There is someone whom you share a deep soul connection. I do see that could be a twin flame connection for some of you. They are your divine masculine or feminine, or it could be a soulmate connection. I do see commitment and marriage is on your mind, and you want to take a leap of faith towards this person, because I don't see they are gonna talk to you, because I see you taking a leap of faith towards them in the start of December. Definitely. Yeah, you want to move towards them. For you are planning, they are planning. They are planning a move, but I see you moving towards them, Virgos. You making a move towards this person for commitment, or taking a leap of faith, saying, hi, let's start again, or something, brand new beginnings. So let's see what else will happen in December. I do see you both are ready to work on this connection, Virgos. There is some work that needs to happen because there is still some conflict, some trust issues, some difference of opinion, some communication blocks affecting this connection. I do feel you or this person is quite analytical or perfectionist, so that needs to go out in December, and you both need to work. I do see you are waiting for their message, or you both are. So you both are waiting for messages, or you are, trying to read in between the lines what they are trying to say, or you are messaging them and waiting for their message, Virgo. So I do see a lot of back and forth messages, but be careful in the second week because some difference of opinion is there. And Knight of Cups, yeah, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is important to you. I do see that you will offer, or they will offer, extend you friendship or love in the second week. Things will get better, but be careful, otherwise, some fights or arguments may happen because of too much of perfection. The mid of December, wow, mid of December is quite eventful for you. Get ready. I do see the judgment is here. Something big is going to happen because there is a full moon eclipse. When is it? Let me see. Yeah, the shift will happen around the mid of December. So, yeah, definitely mid of December is going to be important for you. There is a new moon there. And Chiron will be going direct. So, yeah, things will become more clear to you in the mid of December. And for you and this person, I do see you will be coming out of these challenges, these fears, these worries, Virgo, and you will be moving into this stability, like, yes, I'm clear on what I want and I will go forward. I do see you will overcome some fears in your personal relationships this month. Choices, yes, choices in love are there for you, Virgo, so congratulations. And also I do see a relationship getting better. This second week problems, they are going to get better. A relationship coming back on track for you. So yes, choices are there, but I do see the past. You want to be with this person, this empress or this emperor. So I also feel that mid of the month will be important for you, Virgos. I see some awakening, some deep shifts happening in your love life. So congratulations, and big things are happening for you. Things getting back on track. And yes, I do see at the end of the month there will be celebrations. You and your soulmate will have some good times together. Some wishes will be coming true. I also see some travel. You will be meeting them, they will be meeting you. So yeah, a lot of good things happening at the end of December. And this is the wheel of fortune. Things are turning in your favor, Virgos. You are ready for this brand new romance, this brand new King of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles energy. The shadow side, the devil. Yes, you have owned your devil. You have worked, you have worked through your fears, Virgos, and this has to be rewarded. You will get a reward of it at the end of December. So yeah, and there is this emperor. Yeah, see, you become this emperor, this powerful person. And I do see you are with a very powerful person. You are dealing with a powerful person in your love life, Virgos. And I see together you will create a lot of magic in December. So get ready, and let's see some advice for you. For Virgos, for their love life, for December. Destiny, something destined is going to happen for you. Again, the Wheel of Fortune, number 10. This is your month of destiny, friends. Get ready. Something destined, something is going to balance. You are shifting. Your relationships are coming into balance. A new start. 10 is about new starts, lucky starts. What else? And choose wisely. Yeah, definitely you have choices in love. You do have choices, Virgos. You have choices in love, and you can go anywhere this month. You can choose any lover, or you can choose love over fear, because Seven of Cups is like choosing love, choosing fear. You can choose anything, Virgos, but I do see you will choose good things which are your destined for you, or which are your destiny. Believe in yourself and go for it, Virgos. What else is the advice for Virgos? Wow, look at that. Four of Cups, discontent and boredom. Again, this card is coming. So I do feel, don't be too perfectionist or idealistic, Virgos, in love, because otherwise you may find problems where there are none. Also, take action, take action, Virgos. It is necessary. Recognition and reward. Again, number three, Three of Wands. Go Three of Pentacles. I would say, friends, take action. The actions you take, they will be rewarded for you. So go for it, Virgos. In love, destiny is with you. Destined things are going to happen. Let us see your career, Virgos, for December. Career for Virgos. Oh wow, the Knight of Swords, the Three of Pentacles, Three of Cups. 3-3 energy is very strong for you, Virgos. Again, Seven of Cups, the Queen of Swords, and the Page of Swords. Wow, you have a lot of sword energy. Wow, let's clarify, what does it mean? Page of Wands, the Five of Pentacles. I do see you are struggling, Virgos, with money issues. There is a lot of money issues, like, you feel you don't have enough, or you have some belief systems or people, you feel like you don't have enough help right now in your work, you don't have enough money, you feel like confused which way to go. Should you choose, what you should do to make this, your career, your finances better? You feel everything is out of reach for you, Virgos, but good things are coming for you. How? I tell you. Firstly, there are new job offers or new offers of work are coming for you. So get ready. They will come quickly in December and go by quickly. If you are not quick enough to act, if you think too long, Virgos, you may miss them. So get ready. I also see this month you should balance your thinking with action. All thinking and no action will make you very dull and boring, and also make you feel very stressed about your work life, Virgos. So make sure to remain excited and keep moving, keep going out, and keep taking action. Look at this cat. You should move like this cat, jump, do something, take action for your work and career. Otherwise, if you are just worrying, things will go, things may feel heavy than they are not. Even when things are good, you will feel heavy. Three of Cups. I do see a lot of work is coming through your friends, or through your colleagues or someone, bosses, people will bring you work with. They will bring you finances. Celebrations are coming. Some good times are coming for you in your work. These worries will end in December, but Virgos, get ready. You will have to make some quick decisions. Not something you like, Virgos, but you will have to do it. Three of Cups. I do see, if you are a student, you will have a lot of parties, a lot of get-togethers, farewells, maybe ceremonies of fresher parties or something. Maybe it's online, but you will enjoy with your friends. I also see this is your time or month to work with friends and your colleagues. You will be working hard. You should make your goals, make your dreams for the next year. I also see you may face some opposition in your work or with your bosses, so be careful how you communicate. There are people who will test you and who will give you rewards, but they will test you. Like, if you are going for an interview, it will be tougher than you expect. If you are going for an exam, you will have to communicate in the right way. But I do see you will be successful because you have the Three of Cups. If you are positive, if you just have this Leo energy of positivity and optimism, you are going to be very successful, and money is coming. I see money coming through online work, singing, music, or through talking, teaching, doing something like that will bring you money, or working with friends will also bring you money, Virgos. Let's see some advice for Virgos for their work and career. Fulfillment of your wishes, Nine of Cups, and the sacral chakra, creativity. Good. This is good. Foundations and achievements. Look at that. So here is this Nine of Cups. Your wishes are going to come true, friends. Absolutely, Virgos. Things are already getting better for you. The only thing you need to keep in mind is not to overanalyze or overthink a situation. Remember, be in your power. You are this king. You can do anything, achieve anything. Also, work on your creativity. Your creativity is your gift this month in December, Virgos. Focus on your creativity. Focus on your passions. Work on them. Make them better. If you are a student, fall in love with your subjects, or learn something new which you are passionate about, your hobbies or something, and you'll be very successful. And not just that, you are laying foundations and achievements. So yes, some foundation is coming, you are laying the foundation, and some sort of an achievement is coming your way in December. So long term plans are your focus in December, Virgos. Congrats. Let's see some advice, extra messages. A younger woman is important. October is also important for Virgos. What's the message? January is also important. Let's see. Ooh, this is a powerful month for you. You are shifting, Virgos, from the knight into the king, and you have to behave like a king or a queen. I do see you might doubt, like, oh, how can we be this king or a queen? We have been through so much, but that's what make you a king or a queen. Experience. Troubles. You don't become a king just because of dynasty or hierarchy. You become a king or a queen because you have seen the ups and downs. You have seen you have the experience, right? October is important. Maybe something happened in October, or you are dealing with someone born in October, a younger woman. You might be dealing with someone who is a younger person than you. Nest. An emotionally secure, loving family is important for you. Yeah, you are looking for family, or you are setting up, talks about marriage, stability, all those things are on your mind. Veg, someone is trying to come between you and a friends or something you want. I do see there are people who may be coming in between your love life, so be careful about that. January is also important. You may be dealing with someone born in January. New creative ideas, new ventures, and a fresh start. A sunrise is coming. Yes, a sunrise is coming. You also have the rainbow here in this card. Wine. Seek out information that will help you. Success. Yes, success is coming your way. Teardrops, great personal sorrow. I do feel you're missing someone. I don't know what is it. Maybe it is a lover or a friend or somebody. You're missing something. Or you might be a little emotional or nostalgic this month, Virgos. Star, guaranteed success. See, you are a star. Don't worry. It is your destiny to be a star. Scales, keep your life in balance. Here is also the scale, the money card, Six of Pentacles. Torch. Spiritual development, enlightenment, awareness, and understanding. Oh my God, Virgos. Yes, that is what is this month about. Spiritual understanding, enlightenment, you turning into your power, into you shifting into this king or a queen, Virgos. Congratulations. That's it for now. Subscribe Magic Wens Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram for the Hindi Urdu versions of this reading. Check our other channel. This is Mystic C saying bye.